To change the slow motion speed on the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, first of all, we need to go to the camera, of course, and we need to open the slow motion mode. And now here we need to switch the amount of frame rate. So we're gonna tap on this arrow at the top in order to open the camera menu. And unfortunately, if you use the full HD resolution, the 1080p, you can only use 120 frames per second, so you cannot use 240. In order to be able to use 240, we need to drop the resolution down to 720p, and now we can use 240 fps. So if you use 240 fps, the slow motion speed will be slower, and that is pretty much it. This is the only way to change the speed of the slow motion. So if you want slower slow motion, you want to use 240 fps. If you want a little bit faster slow motion, then you want to stick with 120 frames per second. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!